Wonder. We're at Cebu Leyte. And here's my mama just sitting with her coffee. And today, we are gonna jump at the pool. You see that? 3, 2, 1. Isn't it that fun? Okay, see you tomorrow. You ever did fun? Okay, you want to see it again? 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up mga ka-wonder? Ayan, nakayo rin mo. Ay, ako pa. One,